There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Thursday, August 27th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will be rather active for the next several days, with Laura passing west and north of the state. There could be a tornado threat for parts of the state tomorrow. Let's talk about it. Here's the upper air look across the country. And obviously the dominant player on the board is Laura. That will be recurving into the mid-latitude westerlies within 24 hours. That was the radar composite this morning at 4:52. Alabama, quiet as a mouse, no rain here. The rain shield with Laura well to the west. Temperatures this morning in the 70s, dew points in the 70s. And we're going to stay in a very tropical air mass for a while. Flash flood watches west of the state, parts of Tennessee, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, far east Texas with Laura. Tornadoes a possibility today, again west of the state. We do not expect a tornado problem today. The risk is mainly west of Interstate 55, and also up north, a couple of enhanced risks, one including New York City. Now, this is tomorrow. First off, up north, an enhanced risk from Des Moines over to Chicago. And in Alabama, we've got the standard risk, level 2 out of 5, as far south as Vernon, Vinemont, and Scottsboro. A marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, as far south as Tuscaloosa and Gadsden and Birmingham. And again, that's for the possibility of isolated tornadoes. Day 3, which is Saturday, we've got a risk across parts of the Tennessee Valley up into the middle Atlantic coast region, including about the northern third of Alabama. Again, this is Saturday, north of a line from near Vernon to Birmingham down to Ranburne. And we'll talk more about this in just a second. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Of course, the really big numbers will be a little west of the state with Laura. For Alabama, amounts about 2 inches for the Tennessee Valley, 1 to 2 inches elsewhere. So, first off, the big tropical picture. We've got Laura that is inland. The next wave has come off the coast of Africa. This is the 48-hour outlook. It won't develop. And within 5 days, this is the 5-day outlook, the Hurricane Center giving that African wave a low chance of development as it approaches the Leeward Islands. Just something to watch for now. But here's the IR loop of Laura coming in early this morning. Landfall was at Cameron, Louisiana. Early this morning is a Category 4 hurricane. Winds about 150 miles per hour. And the system now is weakened a bit, winds 120 miles an hour. This thing still will be a hurricane by the time it comes over Shreveport, most likely later today. And you can see the recurve into the westerlies a little north of the state. And ultimately it moves out into the North Atlantic as a post-tropical system early next week. Let's go through the GFS. This is the 06Z run at 4 o'clock. You can see Laura clearly showing up there on the upper look. Down at the surface at 4 o'clock today, Laura should be near Texarkana. And for Alabama, most of the day dry will bring in the chance of a few scattered storms late this afternoon and tonight. But again, we don't expect a tornado threat today. But tomorrow, the remnant circulation is over the southern tip of Illinois. And that will provide some veering of the wind with altitude. And this is the STP tomorrow. You can see the STP values, significant tornado parameter values, are rather high up around Nashville, then curving down into North Alabama. And showers and thunderstorms tomorrow could try and rotate. And with these tropical systems, they can be tough to deal with. They can be short-lived, low-topped, hard to warn for, so just be aware of that. Don't expect any issues down in South Alabama. But other than that, we'll have a number of showers and thunderstorms around tomorrow, mostly cloudy with mid-80s. This is Saturday, and again, we'll see a number of showers and storms around. It will not rain all day, but rain at times, highs in the 80s. And again, there could be a few strong storms over the northern half of the state that might try and rotate, so we'll keep an eye on that. We've got that low-end marginal risk. Sunday, a deep pool of tropical moisture stays in place. No severe weather, but mostly cloudy. A few showers and thunderstorms likely, not a total washout, highs in the 80s. And that's going to be the case for next week. The gift that keeps on giving is the air mass that Laura left behind. This is Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. A lot of clouds around with a few showers and storms from time to time. This is a week from today. This is Thursday, September 3rd. Still got a pretty good little trough through here. And again, tropical air, a few showers and storms around. So highs will be in the 80s. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, September 5th. Ridging beginning to build again. That looks a little quieter. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 2 and 3 inches. Some of the members exceed 4 inches. Highs mostly 80s. Now today we'll see low 90s, but after that, highs mostly in the upper 80s and lows mostly in the low 70s for a while. And a really good cool air mass comes down next week into the northern states, but it just misses us. This is the outlook September 3rd through the 9th. Temperatures here maybe a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.